In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can buy Ada Cardano coins on Trust Wallet. Cardano traded at $3.10 at its all-time high in September 2021. With the coin now trading at 0.25 apiece, it means it's down 91% from its peak. If you're wondering, is Cardano a good investment? Then the answer is probably yes, as you would be buying ADA at a 91% discount from all-time highs. To buy ADA coins on Trust Wallet, simply head into your Trust Wallet. If you tap on Buy right here and search for the ADA coins, you won't find them. All you need is to first add the coin to your listing. This is my listing right here. Just tap right here, then search for ADA. It can be any other coin you wish to buy. To add it to your listing, you will just have to enable this option on. Then it will successfully get added. Go on and tap into it. Then click on Buy. You will have to enter the amount of ADA coins you wish to purchase. Then proceed and tap on Buy. Choose any payment method you prefer to use. Now for this amount in dollars, you will receive these ADA coins. Tap on Buy now and you will successfully receive ADA coins to your Trust Wallet account. That's how easy it is to buy Ada Cardano coins on Trust Wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos like this one.